Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We keep them busy. Now they want to actually make money too. They asking for too much. They're asking for too much. Pick up the order, drop it off. That's all you got to do. Yeah, we only pay the drivers $2. So what? And they better drop that order off and take a picture, or we might give them a violation. Boy, these Doordash customers is not playing out here. They straight scamming. A Doordash customer sat up there and placed the order and went up in there, picked up his food, and canceled it. And then he so bold, he went and did it about 5 times. And they done caught him on camera and called the police, man. What is the world coming to? These customers say they cannot pay these prices, so they got to resort to extreme measures.
It was at this moment that he knew.
New at 10 tonight, we are getting results for a Fairfax restaurant owner who's been the target of a modern-day Doordash, all caught on camera. Police confirm a man has been ordering through the app Doordash and then picking up the food and immediately canceling so he doesn't have to pay.
What?
After 7 News reached out to the company, our Christian Flores explains how the owner is now getting some financial relief.
For Okonomi Asian Grill, tempers are sizzling after police say one man has used DoorDash to steal food from them.
While he's picking it up, he'll cancel the order.
Come on, man.
Basically, we're out of money.
Restaurant owner
DoorDash need to get it together. Why is they allowing the customer to place an order and then turn around, go up there and pick it up and have the ability to cancel the order before the merchant is able to confirm that the order has been successfully picked up for delivery? These are the kinds of things that be pissing me off, because this is very, very simple. All you got to do is make sure there's an extra layer of verification so that they can't sit up there and steal the food and cancel the order. But no, that's too much for DoorDash. They just worried about collecting fees from the customer and collecting fees from the merchant to be on the platform. That way they winning from both sides. So if it's a complaint on either side, from the customer or from the merchant, they getting paid from both parties. So either way it go, they're gonna issue the customer a credit and they're gonna have the merchant by the hook, making them be reliant on them being on the platform. So either way, it's a win-win for DoorDash, and that's why the customer is in that situation, and that's why the merchant is in this situation.
He filed police reports and contacted DoorDash before our report. But it wasn't until 7 News on Your Side reached out to DoorDash that a spokesperson confirmed they have reimbursed Kang and deactivated the suspect's accounts. And now, Kang is speaking out.
All right. We keep them busy. Now they want to actually make money too. They asking
to make
for
sure
too
other
much.
Restaurants are not victimized.
They're asking for too
Other
much.
restaurant owners in the area can't speak English.
Pick up the order, drop it off.
This guy, if he's doing it to me, he's guaranteed.
That's all you got to do. $9.75 for 11.6 miles. 2 pickups, 2 customer drop-offs. This is absolutely insane. This order was sent during Hurricane Debbie. Shout out to J Beats in North Carolina for sending this screenshot. DoorDash expect you to ping pong across the map, deliver to 2 different customers, pick up at 2 different places while it's flooding. This is absolutely crazy. DoorDash don't care. All they care about, look, it's going to take 40 minutes plus on this offer. You're going to ping pong around the map and you're going to make $9.75 for an hour of work. And after gas, you probably really only made like $4. This is absolutely insane. Who in the fuck orders pizza from 20 miles away? This is absolutely insane. We got $4.38 for 23 miles. Look at the distance on this. This is one pizza, y'all. This is why I don't even like Uber Eats no more. And they got the nerve to say this is exclusive. Exclusive for who? Stop playing with me, Uber Eats. Look, I almost said something that I would have had to edit out the video. This is a $4 order, guys. And they got the audacity to send it to my phone. I cannot believe this. Look, if you seeing orders like this, I need you to do one thing. I need you to hit that decline button. I need you to go ahead and unassign, uninstall, unincorporate, whatever you got to do. Just get this thing all the way away from you, because this is absolute garbage. Next up, we got $3.50 for what's that? 8 miles? Boy, DoorDash is tripping. The IHOP order. Somebody probably left $1 tip, and that's actually being generous. It's probably a no tip offer that's been declined a bunch of times. 10:45 in the morning, 10:54. It doesn't matter. Listen, who and why 8 miles, 16-mile round trip for $3.50. Not even enough to get you a gallon of gas in 2024. This is absolutely crazy. DoorDash, you should be ashamed of yourself. These orders are absolutely bad. Next up, we got $9.61, 15 miles. Yes, sir, you heard me right. 15 miles. This is absolutely wild. With the round trip miles, though, that's going to be a 30-mile round trip. You will spend a full hour on this trip right here. Zaxby's, yeah, will not be going there. Exclusive delivery, exclusive for an idiot. And looky here, I am not it. You got me messed up, Uber Eats. What's that? College Station? Yeah, it's going to stay right over there. $9.61, 15.6 mile, estimated 32 minutes. Yeah, right. You're going to spend a full hour guaranteed on that order. Stop playing with me, Uber Eats. We is not having it. Let's see what we got next up. $5.02. What's that say? 22 miles? Oh, nah, bro. They got me all the way there. First and foremost, who is taking these orders? Why are you doing this to yourself? And why are you doing this to the community? I mean, absolutely horrible. 44-mile round trip. You will not make any money. You actually will owe your gas tank money. You will owe yourself money if you take this order right here.